Hello, radiant souls. Welcome to a breathtaking odyssey of healing, love, and unstoppable positive energy. This isn't just a meditation, it's a sacred voyage to rediscover your inner spark, ignite your spirit, and share light with the world. Find your perfect sanctuary, a cozy chair, a soft bed, or a quiet corner with a warm blanket. Close your eyes if it feels safe and prepare to dive into a world where healing flows like a river and hope shines like the sun. Picture yourself standing on a cliff overlooking a vast, shimmering ocean at sunrise. The sky blazes with pink and gold, the air hums with promise, and your heart beats with possibility. This is your moment to heal, to rise, to shine. Let's begin by anchoring ourselves in breath, weaving a story of your inner strength. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly, and feel the rhythm of life within you. Inhale deeply through your nose for 6 counts. Imagine breathing in the dawn's golden light, filling your lungs with courage. Hold for 6, letting this light weave a story of your resilience. Exhale for 6, releasing shadows into the ocean below. Again, inhale for 6, drawing in the strength of mountains. Hold for 6, feeling it root in your core. Exhale for 6, letting go of doubts like leaves in the wind. One more time. Inhale hope, vibrant and alive. Hold it as a treasure. Exhale fear, watching it dissolve into the horizon. Now let your breath flow like the ocean's waves, steady, eternal, powerful. As you breathe, think of a moment when you felt truly strong. Hold that memory like a star in your mind. Let's relax your body, imagining it as part of this ocean landscape. Feel your feet sink into warm sand, grounded and free. Your ankles, calves, knees soften as if caressed by gentle waves. Your thighs, hips, lower back release like pebbles smoothed by the tide. Your stomach, chest, shoulders lighten, floating like sea foam. Your arms, hands, fingers open, ready to receive the universe's gifts. Your neck, jaw, face, scalp melt under the sun's warmth, every worry dissolving. You are now a part of this radiant seascape, alive with peace and possibility. Let's craft a prayer as vibrant as the sunrise, and you're its co-creator. Imagine holding a glowing crystal in your hands, your unique prayer, pulsing with light. O divine light, creator of all beauty, we stand in awe of your boundless love. Infuse this crystal with your healing energy, restoring our bodies, calming our minds, and igniting our souls with joy. Hold your crystal close. Add to it a personal hope, maybe health, love, or peace. See it glow brighter with your intention. Now add a wish for someone dear to you. Picture their smile, their heart bathed in this light. Send this crystal's light outward to your community, to the earth, to every soul yearning for hope. Watch it soar, illuminating the world. We thank you, Divine Source, for weaving us into this tapestry of love, for your light that never fades. Amen, Amen, or thank you. Now let's spark your spirit with affirmations that empower and uplift. Say them in your mind, whisper them aloud, or let them dance in your heart. I am a radiant wave of healing light. My body is a temple of strength and vitality. My mind is a sanctuary of clarity and calm. My soul shines with the universe's infinite love. I release all burdens and embrace boundless joy. Let's repeat, feeling the words ripple through you. I am a radiant wave of healing light. My body is a temple of strength and vitality. My mind is a sanctuary of clarity and calm. My soul shines with the universe's infinite love. I release all burdens and embrace boundless joy. Let's deepen this with an energy cleansing ritual. Picture a gentle rain of silver light falling from the sky, washing over you. This rain cleanses your energy field, dissolving stress, negativity, or fatigue. Feel it flow from your head to your toes, leaving you sparkling and renewed. As the rain touches your heart, imagine it clearing old wounds, filling you with warmth. Now let this silver light pool around you, creating a protective shield of positivity. Breathe in this cleansed energy, feeling lighter, brighter, stronger. Let's return to affirmations, now with deeper conviction. Feel them as truths carved in your soul. I am a beacon of hope lighting up the world. My heart pulses with courage and love. I attract positivity and radiate peace. I am whole, powerful, and divinely guided. Every step I take is a celebration of life. Repeat, louder in your heart, seeing yourself as a glowing star. I am a beacon of hope lighting up the world. My heart pulses with courage and love. I attract positivity and radiate peace. I am whole, powerful, and divinely guided. Every step I take is a celebration of life. One final time, with all your energy, let these words soar. I am a beacon of hope lighting up the world. My heart pulses with courage and love. I attract positivity and radiate peace. I am whole, powerful, and divinely guided. Every step I take is a celebration of life. These truths are your power. Feel them alive within you. Now, let's journey to a sacred realm engaging all your senses. Imagine standing in a golden desert at twilight, stars beginning to twinkle above. The air is warm, scented with jasmine and sandalwood. A path of glowing stones leads you to an oasis, a shimmering pool surrounded by palm trees swaying in a gentle breeze. Hear their rustle. Feel the soft sand underfoot. Kneel by the pool. Its water glows with emerald and sapphire hues, alive with healing energy. Dip your hands in. Feel its warmth like a loving embrace. Step into the pool, letting the water envelop you. It washes away pain, fear, and doubt, leaving only light. Notice a small, radiant object floating nearby, your personal symbol of hope, a star, a feather, a gem. Hold it, feeling its energy merge with yours. Look up.
The stars above form a constellation of your dreams. Send the pool's light to someone you love, seeing them glow under this starry sky. Stay here, in this oasis, under the stars. Feel the universe cradle you, whispering, "You are enough." Let's weave gratitude into the story of your life. Picture a memory when you felt unstoppable, a moment of joy, triumph, or love. See it vividly, like a scene in a film. Feel gratitude for that moment. It's a thread in your story. Now, think of a person who lifts your spirit. Send them silent thanks, picturing their light. Reflect on a challenge that shaped you.